Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a golf driver. First, locate the adjustment port on your driver's head, usually near the hosel. Insert the specialized torque wrench that came with your club, ensuring it fits snugly. Remember, each small click represents a specific change, so pay close attention to the markings on your driver's hosel or sleeve. Always refer to your driver's manual for precise instructions on its unique adjustment system. Adjusting the loft primarily controls your ball's launch angle and spin rate. Increasing loft generally makes the ball fly higher, while decreasing it results in a lower trajectory. The lie angle, on the other hand, influences the left-to-right direction of your shot. A more upright lie can help correct a slice, while a flatter lie might help straighten out a hook. Many modern drivers allow you to adjust both via the hosel. Movable weights on your driver's sole can significantly alter shot bias. Moving weight towards the heel can help correct a slice, promoting a draw, while shifting it to the toe can help reduce a hook. Some drivers also allow for face angle adjustments, which determine if the club face is open, closed, or neutral at address, influencing the ball's initial direction. Experiment with these settings to find what best suits your swing. After making any adjustment, it's crucial to hit several shots to observe the changes in ball flight. Take note of your launch, spin, and direction. Record your results to compare different settings and identify what works best for your game. Remember, small, incremental changes are often most effective. Don't be afraid to experiment and fine-tune your driver for optimal performance. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.